welcome to Ahrex fly tying. Today I will be tying a dryfly. The dryfly is called Leatherman and is actually a Norwegian pattern. This is a fly that could imitate, well, close to everything small that is stuck in the surface. I will be tying this on the size 12 hook, but normally you can fish it or tie it on the size 14, 16, maybe 18 as well. The hook I'm using is the Ahrex short dry, the freshwater 504, 505, because you get a quite big hook gape compared to the hook shank, which is good when you tie on the smaller sizes. Let's start setting the thread. And then we take 2 small CDC feathers and tie them in. The feathers should be folded forward and tied in, and you should have a small tip of the feathers pointing forward. So I measure it before I tie it in, so it covers the shank and a couple of millimeters more. And then we cut off. The body is made of Peacock herl, so I cut off 2 or 3 and tie them in the front part of the hook shank. Tie them along the shank all the way back. And then we wind the hackle back towards the hook bend, because doing this and secure it at this point, you go through with the thread, so you strengthen the body, keeps it more durable. And now for the hackle, you can use brown or preferably a furnace with a dark center. So just pull up the fibers and cut off the tip. You can hold the stem if you want, but I feel it's a bit more accurate to use the pliers. And then we just fold back the fibers and make 2 or 3 turns just in front of the peacock body, leaving enough room for the head. Cut off the waist, fibers. And then we just take the CDC. You don't need to, you can leave sort of a small hump, because this will catch air bubbles and make the fly float a bit better. And then just tie it down, make some turns underneath, and then just make a whip finish to finish the fly. You can cut off these fibers that are standing out. And there you have it, the Leatherman dry fly.